Welcome back. Acadiana has been pretty busy this entire evening. We had a line of thunderstorms form from the coastal parishes all the way through Baton Rouge. So let's take it over to the green screen and get a bigger overview of the radar over the last 6 hours. So we did have a line of thunderstorms. Some storms produced heavy rainfall in a shorter amount of time. So a flash flood warning was issued for Acadia and Lafayette until 12:30 tonight. So we'll get into that just a moment. But some cells produce a lot of rainfall, a lot of lightning embedded with these showers and storms earlier, but the lightning and most of the heavy rainfall has diminished here, and most of the rainfall is in St. Landry Parish and is a cluster of thunderstorm just over Melville. But other than that, we're not seeing any lightning strikes for the rest of Acadiana. So that flash flood warning, this is mostly for Acadia and Lafayette. This is due to rainfall up to 4 inches, between 2 to 4 inches at that fallen over the last several hours. So the National Weather Service issued that flash flood warning for this small location of Acadiana. So this does continue for a couple of hours, but luckily we'll start to dry out here as we edge more so into Sunday morning. But rainfall is back on the way again during the latter part of Sunday and early afternoon, so we cannot escape the rainfall just yet. We'll be dealing with a wet and stormy pattern ahead for the next several days. But taking a look at things about 3 p.m., most of the rainfall in central Louisiana, even for parts of Mississippi. But still, we can get some scattered showers and thunderstorms in Acadiana as we head into Sunday evening into Sunday night. Even for Monday morning, we can have a few showers for that morning commute before the rainfall increases by the latter part of Monday. So overall, we'll be dealing with high-end rain chances the next several days, up to 70% for Sunday and Monday, 80% by Tuesday and Wednesday, and we do continue with high rain chances all the way through the end of next week. So this is a big difference from what we seen last summer, where we were getting little to no rainfall and we were dealing with triple-digit temperatures, a big switch up from this time last year. And with tropical moisture increasing across most of the South, showers and thunderstorms continuing for this entire week. And look at the deep reds there from Texas all the way through the Carolinas. Tropical moisture here in the South, so we'll see a lot of rainfall in a short period over the next several days. So we'll see even more flash flood warnings occur with grounds already saturated. So keep an eye out for any watches or warnings that can take place for the rest of this week. So as far as rainfall amounts, we can add to already the rainfall that we've seen today, even the last couple of days. Highest rainfall amounts, though, in parts of Texas, 3 to 5 inches of rainfall the next several days, 2 to 4 here in Acadiana. So everyone pretty much across the state will begin in on at least 2 inches of rainfall all the way through next weekend. But on the bright side, we'll have some cooler temperatures in parts of Texas, Arkansas, even for here in Louisiana, a little bit warmer than normal towards the north part of the United States. So for tonight, once the rainfall that we have now pushes off, pretty much dry as we head into Sunday, but a stray shower thunderstorm cannot be ruled out as we also deal with mostly cloudy skies. So for tomorrow, showers and thunderstorms continue through the end of this weekend. Heavy rainfall at times, so want to keep an eye out for that. But overall, pretty nice temperatures for Sunday, and we can also accumulate another inch of rainfall. So once again, the rainfall continues over the next several days. Highest rain chances rolling in Tuesday and Wednesday, but check out those temperatures, high of 86. And we can also see cooler temperatures than that ahead for next week. But stay tuned. We'll get another snapshot of this 10-day forecast coming up.